What's up, everybody? Today we're finally going to get around to upgrading the battery in our dinosaur, who hasn't been in the background flashing for a while. So this shouldn't take too long. This is going to be should be a quick video, assuming nothing goes horribly wrong. This is a 1200 milliamp hour 18650. This is a 3300 milliamp hour 18650. This usually goes for 3 weeks worth of shows. So, I mean, you know, anything that was on sale for $6, it may say 1200 milliamp hour, but I think if we measured it, it'd probably be closer to 600 or 800. Whereas this is a measured 3300. So hopefully, I mean, yeah, it'll take forever to charge, which is fine, but it should last a couple months, I would think. So let's get around to this. I checked this, it's at 4.1 volts. And it looks like these are actually just soldered onto welded tabs. So this may be not too bad. That's my about 15-year-old solder paste from Radio Shack. The nerves are great today. If you catch enough on there, come on, it'll kind of carry over with the tip. I feel like I'm a little out of center here. Let me move my chair. This is like my temporary workbench until this room gets cleaned, reorganized. God, I'm probably shaking the crap out of the camera too. But that's what we got. That's what we're working with. So that's what we're going to roll with. So let's, I don't have a thing. So let's just use this. Oh, well, actually, just use that there. Just put some on there. Whoop. A little dab will do ya. Some on there. I probably should have did one side at a time because then I was going to get one there. Iron is all the way up. Clean that. Where's my solder? What do we got here? Good old leaded solder from Ulster. Like, the cell barely warms up. Just another reason why you should use leaded solder, because it's a much better melting point. Which makes it a lot easier for adding solder to cells. And not having to hold it on for a ridiculous amount of time and damage the cell. And we're going to have to remember how to put this back together. Like, this isn't a light sensor, is it? Why is that? I don't know. Is that even from this? Probably. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. There's... Oh, right. That's the light diffuser. Derp. Alright. Let's, a little more to this end. Oh, we got a little hanger offer. Oh, that's from the metal, the existing metal tab. Let's go ahead and move that so this doesn't turn into a on fire video. Damn. Hold on. Like, I'm actually kind of concerned right now. Ooh. Got it. Don't feel like putting out one of those videos. Hey, this is how my basement caught on fire again. Except, like, for real this time. Oh, shit, where the solder go? Whenever that's got plenty of, just kind of rub that around in the existing flux. Hopefully you can actually see what's going on. Come on. Let's get some of that freshie in there. Yeah. Alright, let's see. So it should work. Button. It should work. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. Make sure something didn't actually short out on this cell. Oh, wrong one. I feel like it would have let us know. No, it's still 4.1 volts. It's plugged in. Got no positive and negatives, good. I wonder if this needs to be plugged in to like be reactivated. Hold on, let me go find a charger and we'll plug it in and see what it does. I didn't even think about that. Hold on. Alright, let's see what happens here. I wonder if they reversed. This almost feels like it's getting warm. I didn't even think. I probably should have checked the wire colors. Ground and battery. Because they have the wire colors reversed. What a bunch of douchebags. Well, that was almost could have been interesting. I guess that's why the cell was getting warm. Let's see if I can just pop the pins here. We need to use the other. Oh, where's the ground one? That's got like a slightly larger tip. Alright, well that doesn't want to work, so we'll just flip the wires the wrong way around. Come on, China. And this has been seen by other YouTubers as well. Clive's seen it. Pretty sure Dave at EVV Blog has seen this kind of stuff. And you don't think to check that because, like, there are standards. I'm glad I didn't plug it in. Hopefully we didn't just burn everything up. If we did, then we'll just have to make something new for Mr. Dinosaur. Alright, well, let's see if it explodes. Calm down. Alright, so now ground is red. That just breaks my brain to plug this in. Okay. Yay! Sorry, that probably blinded the hell out of me. Alright. That's fun. Like I said, I keep forgetting you gotta check that stuff with this cheap stuff because that's what they do. That's why the cell was getting warm, I'm sure. I mean, I know we were soldering on it, but, you know, not for that long. Alright, let's get this back in here. Where remember, let's see, the button goes down here. There are little alignment tabs for it, so that it, like, you know, the symbol faces the right way. I see no reason why we shouldn't accommodate that. So I scratch my nose. Alright, now we're going to get this little fella down in there without breaking wires. Okay. And I didn't bring a screwdriver, but I've got a little kit here. Might have something small enough. If not, I'll have to pause it. Let's not short batteries out. It's as small as I got a 1. Is that going to fit this little bugger? Sometimes the small ones just... Oh yeah, good. Sometimes the small ones still use a regular-ish screwdriver. Sorry the light's not great and all that. This is really not optimal circumstances for a video, but that's the best I got right now. But I should be getting to Home Depot this week, get some shelves. I was going to go today, but I'm getting ready to do the cat toy or the cat wall video, time lapse. I'll start some of it. I still need to get the shelf, but I need to get like shelving for in here, so I can get stuff off the floor and then figure out if I'm going to move. How's this go? Move my old workbench in, or just make another one and leave that one out there. Is that this way? Wires are a little tight. I think they would go over top. Nope. Let's not break anything. Let me spin it. Where's that put the battery plug? If I move the wires over here, move that over there. Cool, sorry. I just realized I did all that cable management off camera. I'm really not great at these, well, I mean, I was a lot better when I had a regular setup. Oh, wait. I can't put these on yet, so I still gotta put these on. Or this on. That's... I don't know, that's... Is this something different? I feel like this would have been the diffuser. Am I gonna have to go back to the original video? That's not actually fitting. Oh, that goes up here. Okay, all right, we're good. Like I was seriously about to pause so I could go watch the first video. But we're good. Oh, that is tight. That might be the wrong screw. It looks like that's over there. I think this is like a tiny size smaller. Nah, that one doesn't really want to go in either. That's alright. Just kind of make that go. Because this sits... Oh, no, okay. That's why those don't want to go anymore. Because they should have this. on top. Get that line back up. Is that like that? I feel like it's like this. As I do the dance with my fingers to get everything lined back up. Why isn't that going all the way down? There's nothing in the way that I can see. That would make sense, and then that would go right there. But this doesn't, maybe the board does go the other way around, but that wouldn't make sense because then you got wires crossing over everything. That hits the battery. Oh, I wonder if the battery is a slightly bigger. Where's the posts? Oh, it's there. Battery goes there. That goes there. I don't know, is it supposed to be raised up like that? Because it's not actually hitting the battery. It's like the board itself is in the way. Does this go up here? Go up top, does it? Oh, it might. Oh. Pin. Look at that. Okay, there we go. All right. Would not have thought that, or have remembered that that was on the outside. Used to them hiding them on the inside. Okay, let's okay. Let's go ahead and put the diffuser on there. We should never have to take this apart again unless we want to change the lights, but I'm pretty good with the lights. Alright, got our USB port there. Let's see what happens when we plug it in. I don't know if there's a light somewhere that lights up or not. I do know it's never been aligned to that correct. Alright, okay. Lights up. Good. Let me get that lubed up for him. Don't worry, buddy. It ain't gonna hurt once, but it's gonna hurt a lot. Hold your breath. It's almost over, buddy. Oh wow, we went too far. Hold on. Let's turn this to its. Can I turn this? Actually, I can't. No, that's fine. All right. Ooh. There it is. Well, our dinosaur is whole once again, and we'll be back in the show. And I guess we won't have to charge him for a while. Like I said, he was at 4.1 volts. I don't know if, or 4.11. I don't know if you saw it on the meter. But I guess we'll see how long this goes during normal show usage. And go from there. All right, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you on Saturday. Have a good day.